So then first aircraft of the day is this Ryanair in from Tirana. It's operated by Ryanair UK. It's 11 years old and a Boeing 737-800.
Welcome back to another video of plane spotting Henry. In this week's video we are at Shadowmoss Road at Manchester Airport. As you can see, it is night time, so that means nighttime plane spotting. Just something a bit different. I hope you enjoy this week's video.
So then EasyJet coming in from Milan. It is 12 years old, Airbus A320-200. Flight time is 1 hour and 40 minutes. 600 nautical miles. So then here we go, it's the big boy, Queen of the Skies, Emirates Airbus A380-800. It is 9 years old, flight time of 7 hours, as of course it is in from Dubai, 3,056 nautical mile, registration A6-EUO. Here we go. So then EasyJet coming in, you can't see it as it doesn't have its lights on for some reason. They come on when it has got clearance to land. This EasyJet is operated by EasyJet Europe. It is 10 years old, A320-200, flight time of 1 hour and 35 minutes. So it never turned its lights on, not too sure why. Well then it's EasyJet time, the second EasyJet in a row. This one does have its lights on. It's coming in from Rome. 2 hours, flight time of 2 hours and 21 minutes. Airbus A320-200. This aircraft is 11 years old. You can just see something else going up there. I'm not sure what, just having a look. KLM, that's what's going up right in the distance. So then an SAS coming in here from Copenhagen. It's Airbus A320-200. Not gonna lie, it looks a bit smaller than all the EasyJet. I'm sure it'll look the same as it comes over though. Its registration is SE-ROF. It's 6 years old, 535 nautical miles, 1 hour and 33 minutes flight time. And here we go, SAS in from Copenhagen. and a bouncy touchdown, but touchdown. This Norwegian is coming in from Stavanger. It is operated by Norwegian Helmerhisen livery. It is 14 years old and a Boeing 737-8. So then TUI coming in, repositioning flight from London, operated by TUI Airways. Flight time of just half an hour, as London isn't far off. Boeing 737-800. This aircraft is 10 years old. We've seen this flight before with the BA, and now we get to see it with this TUI. Eurowings coming in from Dusseldorf, departed 1 hour ago. Airbus A320-2. And the aircraft is 17 years old. So then TUI coming in from Tenerife, flight time of 4 hours, 1600 nautical miles. This aircraft is 6 years old, Boeing 737 MAX 8, registration G-TAWW. So then Logan Air coming in, it's coming in from Southampton, flight time of 45 minutes, ATR 72-600. Just trying to get it a bit more in focus. 10 years old, 150 nautical miles. So then Jet2, Airbus A321 coming in from Funchal. Flight time of 3 hours and 34 minutes, 1,000 nautical miles. So then got another big one. No, it's not the A380, but it's still a wide body Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. It's coming in from Doha. It is 1 year old, Boeing 7. Flight time was 6 hours and 48 minutes. From Plane Spotting Henry, over and out.